Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Holidays with the Housewife video. Today I have a really fun layered paper craft for you. This is my Christmas bell layered paper craft. How fun is this design? It totally has retro vibes, and I love all the different shading that the different layers create. It's just a really fun project. This paper craft is really fun to put together, and I can't wait to show it to you. So let's grab all of our materials and get started. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project was part of Holidays with the Housewife 2023. To make this project, you can purchase the individual cut file in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. If you'd like access to the entire event from 2023, including bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing, you can purchase the VIP Access Pass at thebeardedhousewife.com/HWTH23. I have links to both of these options in the description box below. No matter how you purchase the cut file, make sure to download the cut file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. New project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open and Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Resize the design. And you can see that our project has been brought into our canvas. I have sized this design already to fit within the cutting dimensions of a 12 by 12 cutting mat. So you can see here that it is a little bit less than 11.5 inches tall. If you're wanting to change the proportions to fit this project on a card or fit it in a shadow box, or for whatever reason, you can change the sizing here in the sizing options. Just make sure to keep the proportions locked so you don't distort the design at all. One thing that I will mention, the smaller that you make this project, the more intricate the cuts become, so just keep that in mind when you are resizing the project. I'm going to go ahead and click Make It. And you can see the different mats required for this project. Go ahead and click Continue. I'll be using medium cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Okay, so I have all the pieces cut out. There are 10 in total. I know it looks like a jumbled mess, but I just wanted to show you all the different layers. I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer all these pieces together. But really quick, I'll go over the order. We're going to start with the white, then blue, then the lighter purplish color, the darker purple, the orangish yellow, yellow, dark green, lighter green, red, and then finally black. So I'm going to go ahead and layer everything together. I'll speed up the video just a little bit and I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. And here it is all layered up, our Christmas bell layered paper craft. What did you think of this paper craft? Isn't it cute? Doesn't it give you those retro vibes like I said in the beginning? It reminds me of the decorations that used to be around in the 70s, 80s, and 90s. My grandmother used to decorate with bells. She used to have a garland that would light up that had bells on every swoop, and this really reminds me of that. So it gives me those warm Christmassy feels. I hope that you like this paper craft. If you make it, I hope that you share it with me, whether that be through email or through our Facebook group. I would love to see your creations. Until next time, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Holidays with the Housewife video. Bye.